Hello everyone, want to leave a review on Uber Eats but not sure how? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the step by step on how to rate your order and leave feedback for the restaurant. So let's get started. First, go to Uber Eats website and log in. Then click on your profile icon on the top right uh, corner and then select orders from the drop down menu. And then these are the steps. Let me quickly zoom in. So here you'll see a list of your previous orders. Find the order you want to review and look for the rate order button. This one here, and then click on it to proceed. Now you'll be asked to rate your overall experience with the restaurant using the star system. You can also select specific things you liked or didn't like. Next, you'll see the individual items for your order. Here you can rate each one separately and leave additional comments about the food quality. And once you are done, simply submit your review. That's it. Your feedback helps restaurant improve and ensures better experiences for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully left a review on Uber Eats. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.